Hi everyone, welcome to demo. Today in this video, I would like to show how I extract the data from multiple invoices and populate extracted data in Excel sheet with the help of SAP RPA. The resources needed for this project is Invoice, Intelligence, Robotics Process Automation Cloud Studio, and Microsoft Excel. Now we get into Cloud Studio. For this automation process, we need to create a document template. So first we use create a new project. Then in the Cloud Studio page, left side under Artifact, click on plus icon, go to create and select one document template where we need to provide one name and you have to select one sample PDF. Then click on next, select invoice, next, then add. When upload is completed, then click on open a new tab. Your uploaded PDF will display here. Go to invoice, click on annotate. Then you have to select the relevant field which you want to extract. Click on edit, select invoice, a document number, apply, a document date we need, document date, apply, then gross amount is there, apply, then click on save. Now we need to activate this page. Go to activate and click on activate. We will do automation. Uh, Go to under artifact, click on plus icon, then create and click on automation. Then give your the name of your automation page. Then you have to now we will drag and drop the activity from the toolbar. First we will drag and drop the get file collection from the activity and give the folder path in which the PDF is saved to the input parameter. Now drag and drop for each from the activity. Inside the loop for the first file in the folder, the collection we use is a split PDF every X pages. It will split all pages from the first PDF and all the split PDF pages will save to the given folder path. I have given the input folder and the output folder path where it will upload. And now we will select the split every X pages as one. Now drag and drop open Excel instance to use all the activities related to the Excel. Then drag and drop open Excel open workbook. In this process, we will give the path of one Excel sheet where our data will shape. Drag and drop set active cell to set the active cell in the active worksheet. Give the cell definition and set cell number A1 as an active cell. Then drag and drop the push value activity and set the header column name which belongs to the selected invoice field. For example, push invoice number. Repeat the step for all the two fields in like invoice number and the gross. Drag and drop the cell set active cell and set the invoice row in the first column as active cell. Give the cell definition value A2. It means next data will populate from the A2 cells. Then drag and drop get file collection from the activity and give the folder path in which the PDF is saved. Drag and drop the for each activity in this step. Each PDF file will iterate one by one from your split folder. Now drag and drop extract data and provide a schema which you created and select a document template to detect automatically. Now give your document path. Here you should provide the split PDF folder and drag and drop push value activity. It will set your extracted value to the relevant field in the Excel sheet. Push value activity is used to enter the column header in the Excel sheet file. Set the second row in the first column as the active cell using the set active cell activity. Repeat this step for all other fields like invoice number and the invoice date and the gross amount. Now drag and drop get row to retrieve the row index from cell address. Then drag and drop the set active cell and provide the cell definition. It will set the active cell activity in the active worksheet. Now we will run the bot. You can see the data is displaying here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.